Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the 10-inch Spa Sensation memory foam mattress purchased at walmart.com for $369. If you recall, my husband and I bought a smaller one last around Black Friday, just a twin, and we just fell in love with the mattress, so we wanted to replace our master bed. So this is the one that we got, the 10-inch Spa Sensation memory foam mattress. It is awesome. We had it shipped to our house, and as you can see, the box got beat up just a bit by the gentleman at FedEx, but it just came in one piece, so we're really happy with the mattress. We've been sleeping on it for about 2 weeks and no complaints. It is absolutely fantastic. As you can see right behind the couch, there is the platform that the mattress is going to be on. We spent about $100 on Amazon for that, and my husband put it together in 20 minutes, so that was pretty easy peasy. This is the first mattress that we got. Gorgeous little quilt cover that my mom gave us. And I'm just going to show you the mattress here in a second. It is still in really great shape. We've had it for about 3 months. We've slept on it many times and just love this mattress. It's a very firm mattress. I prefer a softer mattress, but my husband prefers a firm, and this is like a happy medium for the both of us. And here is Old Faithful. We've had this mattress for about 7 years. It was a wedding gift, and we have moved it a bunch of times. And the mattress, you know, when you throw it in the back of a U-Haul, the coils and springs just start giving way, and 5 moves later it is pretty rough. Threw it up on Craigslist though. Here's a little story for you guys. And we had that thing out of our house within 3 hours, and I had like 30 people that wanted this mattress. And of course it was just a free item. We weren't charging a cent for it. Lots of interest when you just throw stuff up. A mattress of all things. Go figure that one out. So yeah, really pleased to get rid of this guy. I love the mattress. My husband hated it. He said it was just too soft, so the happy medium was that memory foam mattress. So here is the master. The old mattress is gone, and my husband built the frame for the new mattress. It took him all of 20 minutes. And now we are going to do a quick little unboxing of the mattress. This is my favorite part. And as you can see here, here's the king in the box. This is a team lift to bring this box into the bedroom to open it up because it is pretty heavy. And if you have the option to get this shipped to your house, by all means do that, because there's nothing worse than having to wrestle with something that big by yourself. Okay, so this is the official unboxing of the king size Spa Sensation 10-inch mattress that we purchased from walmart.com. Gonna get the first glimpse here. Oh, here, it's in a bag again. My wonderful husband put together this platform, and it took him all of what, like 20 minutes to do that?
Wonderful.
Is that a stretch, honey? My darling husband?
Wonderful.
You want to be known as Mr. Wonderful?
Wonderful.
Anyhow, he put together this, it's like, what do you call this, honey? A platform?
It's just a platform base for a mattress.
And we bought it on Amazon. I think it was like about 100. So the mattress was, I think like $360, and this was 100. So like $500 for like a king size bed, which is really cool. So many of you might be wondering, like, why would you like go with this instead of the old mattress? And we just found that the bed that we bought last winter, from the last video we posted on this, it just was so much more comfortable than our other mattress. My God, this one's big. Why is this sticky, honey? These little stickies.
Keep the mattress from moving.
Oh, okay. Well, I had no idea about that. So there's little stickies and little non-stickies. So the mattress is in here, and this is the casing. We just have to be really careful when opening it because it's all really compressed in here. Look at that, it's like a big taco. Be really careful, honey. Uh-oh.
My knife's dull.
It's dull?
It's dull.
I'm surprised you weren't polishing that thing first thing this morning for this.
No comment.
You can't say that's not a knife.
You're dating yourself with your references.
Am I?
Yeah.
I just would expect you to pull out a machete for this job, honey. My husband really likes knives. That should probably scare me, the fact that you love knives so much. Boy, it's really expanding already. So look at this. And here it is. It's a big mama. Oh, look, listen to that. Whoa. So we must have pierced it somehow, because look how much it's expanding already. That is crazy. Tape right here, honey.
Watch, move your hand.
Okay, careful. That's insane. We didn't even cut the plastic yet. Oh, it's heavy. Unlike the, I think the 8-inch one wasn't expanding this crazy. Like, it is really, we must have punctured the bag. Like, look how giant that is already. Ginormous.
You gonna move?
Yeah. So you know how you wanted to hop on it after we opened it up? They recommend to just let it just keep growing. Like, don't even lay on it. Just let it grow. Hey guys, that's a 10-incher. Imagine we got the 12-incher. I think it'd be too high.
Need your help.
Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Here is the mattress about 6 hours after we unboxed it and put it on its pedestal. And as you can see, the 10-incher has grown a lot. Now, the biggest mattress that you could get would be the 12-incher. That was out of stock, so we had to go with this one. But I'm going to say the 10-incher because we have been sleeping on it for about 3 weeks. It is really, really nice. And look how high that is within 6 hours. And that's about the size that it was, like, fully grown. They recommend that you wait 24 hours, but I think that even like to wait 6 hours is fine. Our cats wanted to jump on the mattress like right away. They were so curious about it, but it is a really comfortable sleep. If you move around a lot at nighttime, I tend to do that. Like I have like restless legs and that sort of thing. My husband doesn't even like feel me moving around anymore. So that's really great. But it's just a wonderful mattress for under $400. The platform's $100. So like for $500, you're set. And it's just a really great mattress. And, you know, even if anything should happen to the mattress, you could always replace it for under $400 as well. That's what my husband said. So I said, yeah, let's get a second one for the master. So here's just a final shot in closing. This little girl would not stay off the mattress. And she was just really curious. I had another cat back in the day. He now lives with my mom. But he was the same way. Anytime there was like a new blanket or anything like that, he'd have to climb on it right away. And his name was Andy. And our second cat was so afraid of the mattress, she just like went and hid under the bed. And all of our bedding there is in the side in the corner. And here is the princess of the house on the new mattress. And the first night that we slept on the mattress, it was really comfortable. And all of our sheets, everything fit. So it was really like a good investment. And last 3 weeks I've been sleeping on it and no complaints. I wake up very, very like awake, like I've rested really well. And who knew that like a mattress from Walmart is this great. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.